Okay. The reason this is so hard, because picking a u. What do you want to pick?
X over 2.
Okay. X over 2.
Okay, no, we don't want to pick that. You're smiling.
What do you want to pick?
So can you go straight to tell me what du is?
What do you want to pick?
Hold on. What does du equal? What's the derivative? 1 half dx. I went straight to that step, correct? So dx would then be 2 du. So I'd have the integral tangent to the 7th of u, correct? Secant squared u times 2 du. Well, all my x's are gone, but do you know the antiderivative of that?
No.
No, and that was the problem to begin with, correct?
Sorry, guys. That's my bad.
That's That's actually the first instinct of everybody, is pick x over 2, because we were used to picking insides.
Nope, she's smiling.
Why don't you pick square?
What?
Why don't you pick square?
Okay, let's try. Oops. Okay, so then du, I had to do some chain rule, correct? Actually, I had to do double chain rule. So right away, first of all, do you think that's right? Probably not.
I apologize, but it's
Remember what I told you to begin with. You want to pick something whose derivative is here.
X.
dx.
Come on.
Tangent.
Tangent. Isn't its derivative here?
Oh, yeah, look at
The
that.
fact that it's to the 7th means nothing. Do not pick tangent to the 7th. Its derivative is not there, right? But tangent's derivative is here. Does everyone see that? So let's pick a tangent, not 7 of them. Let's pick one of the tangents. Okay, so I'm going to let u be tangent of x over 2. Can you tell me what du is? A little chain rule in your head? If you need to do the chain rule to the side, do the chain rule to the side. What will I get?
1/2 secant squared x over 2.
Everyone agree with that? Because that derivative is secant squared, but multiplied by the inside derivative. Do not forget your dx. It is wrong if you forget your dx. Right? Now what do?
Solve for the X.
Solve for dx. And do that smart. Do not divide by half, multiply by 2. So I'm going to have 2 over secant squared x over 2 du. Right, first I multiply both sides by 2.
Yep.
Then I divide it by secant. All that. You do not want fractions in fractions. Okay. Now, once I have solved for dx, I'm going to go back to my original and plug in for u and dx. So think about it. U was tangent, so this is left to be
Tangent to the 6.
u to the 7th. Right? Does everyone follow that? If tangent is u, that is just u to the 7th. Now that secant squared x over 2 is still there. Now plug in for dx. dx equals all this. So I have times 2 over secant squared x over 2 du. Now you can see that we did this right because check it. I have the integral of 2u to the 7th, which is easy to do. Right? Because not only should all your x's cancel, it should be an easy integral. If it's not an easy integral, I would rethink what you're doing. Actually, there are a couple that are tough, but they're okay. Now, if you do not have du written right there, it is wrong. Because you have to specify that your variable of integration is u. And now that I have an integral, an easy integral, what do? Antiderivative. So I'll add 1 to the power, divide by it, plus c. Now do not do all this beautiful work and forget to finish it. Plug u back in. 1/4 tangent